You make her Uber home or are you dropping her off?
There's actually a bus stop right outside my house.
Okay. Okay. You classy. I respect that. I respect that. I ain't mad at you. I feel like bus stops are more safe than Ubers, bro, because, you know, they don't always be running background checks on them bitches. So after y'all done eating, do you ask her how she liked the meal that you made?
Always.
Okay. Okay. Got you. And then how you work your move after y'all have dinner? What you do next?
How do I what after dinner?
How you work your move after dinner? What
do you mean?
I mean, we all adults here, bro.
You just get into it.
Okay, all right. That's what's up.
Actually, if I'm being honest, here's actually the best way. You hop on the Xbox, right? Then it'll piss her off so much where she's like, fuck it, let's do it. Just anything to get you off the Xbox. It's like reverse psychology.
That's some reverse psychology shit, bro. Wait, are you pulling reverse psychology on the first date, or is this like the second, third date?
Oh, you're talking about like first date people? You're not coming over in the. I mean, maybe. Are you talking first date or just like? What do you mean?
Oh, I was just curious how you get down. If it's your first date or if it's the third one, I don't know.
I guess it all depends on the person.
Got you.
If they're worth it, I'll give her a bus pass.
Okay, for sure. Do you text her? How did that pussy make it home, or do you text her? Did you make it home safely?
I'd never heard the first one. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, I'm about to use that though. 100%. Is that your moves? Are you giving me some putting me on some game?
I'm giving you some superb game, bro.
Nice.
You gotta ask how that pussy made it home, bro. If it made it home safely. Yes, sir.
And what's like a satisfactory response from that? Like, what if she says no? Wait. What does that even mean when she says no?
Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Think about it, bro.
So are you looking for a yes, it made it home safely, or you don't want it to make it home safely because it got beat up? I'm just trying to figure it out.
You don't want it to make it home safely, but you do want it to make it home safely. That's the right answer.
What? So what is she gonna say? Like, she's like, it made it home safely. You're like, what?
Let me see.
Or what if she's like, it barely made it home? That's a good response, right?
That's a great response. It barely made it home. That's a great response. You know what I'm saying? If she went to the ER, then that's how you know you made it home. That's how you know you hit that motherfucker right.
So if she didn't make it home, so that's the best one. If it doesn't make it home safe,
that means that she in the ER. If she don't make it home, she in the ER. And then if she barely made it home safely, that means that you was like a 9 out of 10. If that pussy made it all the way home safely, bro, you ain't really do no damage.
All the way home safely.
Like, that motherfucker is chilling. You know what I'm saying? She ain't even got the ice none.
I guess that's true because there has to be like some danger. You know, there has to be a little strangulation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it goes ER, barely made it home. Then what?
Yes, sir.
What's the next step after that?
Okay, so ER, barely made it home. And then I just had to rub some dirt on it. That's like intermediate. You know what I'm saying? That's intermediate. You know what I'm saying? And then what are you talking about me that you ain't do nothing? That's like the last one. What are you talking about?
I don't know if rubbing dirt on it's a good thing though.
I don't know if it's a bad thing either. It's like when you were little, goddamn, and you got hurt, and then your mom or dad would say, just rub some dirt on it. You straight, you know, for the intermediate injuries, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. All right, then what's next? I didn't hear the last one.
The last one is what are you talking about?
Like, oh, yeah.
She like, nigga, what? You didn't do nothing to me, bro. What are you talking about? That's like what she's saying it like when she's texting it to you.
What if you get no response?
That's worse. That's worse.
That's zero? Negative?
That means that she put your ass, low-key.
But that means you put her to sleep, right? Maybe? She went straight to sleep.
I don't know. Because you got to send that text like halfway. You like, suppose that you know her commute time is like 15 minutes. You send that text at 7 minutes and 30 seconds, bro. So by the time she get home, she responding right away type shit. So if she don't respond, and you know that she definitely at the crib, you know what I'm saying? She ain't sleep because you know she had 7 minutes and 30 seconds from the time you sent that bitch before she got to the crib. That let you know she ghosted your ass.
Or she went somewhere else.
That she could have did that too. That's a good point. That's a good point.
Have you made your class yet, Lath?
It's good to go. No, I'm intrigued by this conversation at this point. It's good to go. At this point, I'm like, whoa, what's going on here? Like, shit, it's all good to go. I can't interrupt, but no, it's good to go.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that's 100% a clip. I'm not gonna hold you guys. We're about to be famous tomorrow.
Yeah, put that.
Just throwing it out there.